Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll go through how to make a realistic water effect in 3ds Max. It's actually very easy to make and we only need to use few modifiers. This can be helpful for architects if they have a pool in their design and want to show some movement in the water, or say a nice beach house that has a good sea views and you want to show that to your client. So yeah, let's get started. So to make a start, first of all, what we need to do is create a plane. So just click on plane and drag out and change these segments to 300. And I'll just change the length to 15 by 10. I'll just change the color too. So yeah. So once you created the plane, what we need to do is go to modifier list and apply noise modifier and click on the fractal and change the Z string to maybe around 5, 0.5. So this gives you the wave, so you can make it bigger or smaller, whatever you're happy with. But I think I'll leave it at 5. And after that, go down and click the animate noise and change the frequency to around 5. And the phase can stay below maybe 50. Yeah, that looks better. And now we need to add another modifier. So go to modifier list and assign push. Yeah. So the push value needs to be negative. This will just basically give you the hard edges above the wave. So as you can see, if I go very low, it breaks. So whatever you're happy with, just leave it at that. I think this will do. Yeah. And now we need to add one more modifier. Um, it's called relax, and just change the value to 1. And lastly, again, one more modifier. We need to assign the noise modifier again. This basically creates a new wave. So first we created the bigger one, and this will create a wave within wave, so it's much smaller. So just again, same thing, take the fractal box and play with the z value. So before we had it to -5, this time maybe 3. Yeah, or we can lower it a little bit. So just to have a little bit smooth. Yeah, that should do. And lastly, now if I play the simulation, you will be able to see the movement. It's happening. But what we can do is apply one material. So just to have that natural look, go to material and apply one. So I've already got an image. Actually, I'll create a new one. So you can add any image you want, any effect you're happy with. Basically, just drag and drop. And as you can see here is the actual water effect. And now if I play my simulation, you'll be able to see the movement. And yeah, that's about it. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching.